Strip steaks coated with cracked peppercorns and fennel seeds, pan-cooked, served with a cognac cream sauce. When your main course needs to exceed all expectations, perfectly prepared steak au poivre. A really delicious meal is on the way, only 5 steps. Step number 1, it's all about the steak. 2 10-ounce strip steaks, also known as sirloins, also known as New York steak. Nice marbling, a little bit of fat around the edges. We're gonna season both sides of each steak with a sprinkle of kosher salt. Bring the steaks to room temperature for 30 minutes to an hour. Step 2, we're gonna rub a peppercorn seasoning on them. Into a small bowl, 1 tablespoon black peppercorns, a teaspoon each green, white, and red peppercorns, a teaspoon of fennel seeds. Stir, then transfer into a storage bag. Grab a knife or a flat bottom saucepan or just a rock. You're gonna smash the seasoning, then we're gonna spill it out onto a flat plate. Time out. I know some of the purists out there are going, fennel seeds, Nick? Really? Absolutely. The addition of the fennel seeds into this classic recipe takes it to a whole new level of deliciousness. Continuing, we're gonna place the steaks down onto the seasoning, push down, then lift. We're gonna move the spices back in place, flip the steaks, push down again. Steaks are seasoned, now it's time to cook them in a pan at stovetop. Today we're gonna go for medium doneness. Medium-sized skillet on moderate heat. When the pan is hot, we're adding 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil plus a tablespoon of butter. As soon as the butter melts, we're gonna add the steaks. We're cooking this first side for 4 minutes. I love the bubbling of the oil and butter. Next, we're gonna flip the steaks to cook for an additional 4 minutes. Soon as they're done, we're transferring them to a plate, leave them to rest. There is no need to tent the steaks with foil. Step 4, a really fabulous cognac cream sauce to go with. Strain away any fat from the pan. Pan goes back on the heat, moderate high. We're gonna add a 1/4 cup of cognac slowly, and then 1/3 cup of 35% cream. Stir it in. We're gonna scrape up the flavorful bits from the bottom of that pan. Cook the sauce until it thickens. It should coat the back of a spoon. You can do a little taste and then season with salt and pepper if you'd like. Step 5, we serve. Steaks go onto dinner plates. These steaks love creamy mashed potatoes, a little bit of butter on top, also sauteed assorted vegetables. Then, right before you serve, add that creamy cognac and peppercorn flavored sauce, a little sprig of fresh herb as a garnish. I totally forgot there's a step 6 where we cut into the steak to get that important first bite. Full recipe is up at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video and tons more on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then finally, when a main course is this phenomenal, you just gotta take a picture of it, post it using hashtag weekendatthecottage on your favorite socials like Pinterest, the Gram, and Facebook. Perfectly prepared steak au poivre. Exceeding those expectations. Wow. My gosh.